Anybody out there ever use one of these Walker SoundFX mufflers? This is what's I pulled off of the 1210. It was extremely loud. Even this is the inlet, and it was blown out, so it was essentially doing nothing. Truck sounds a lot better, but it was still just terribly loud. I don't really like for a street vehicle. I don't mind some exhaust rumble, but for trail vehicle, I want it to be quiet. The Scout has one of these on it, and I've been pretty pleased with it. Probably just a slightly over factory sound, maybe just a skosh, but not loud. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna see if I can put this on the 1210. I'm gonna take this and have a professional exhaust put on it, duals, but I kind of like to get there and not be deaf by the time I arrive. So just gonna mock this up, get it on there, and see what it sounds like. I'm kind of curious to see if it sounds like the Scout. All right, if you'll be able to see or not, but I've got the muffler in place now. Put this turn down on, so I didn't want to be blowing hot air on my differential there. So this pipe could even be shortened a little bit, but like I said, this is just temporary. I still need to clamp the turn down on, but I'm gonna tighten this stuff up, and then I'm gonna see if I can get this started, because I want to hear what it sounds like. Just gonna see if we can. It is cold today. It's probably, I don't know, it's in the 30s outside, probably in the mid 40s in here. But I'm gonna hook this battery up and we'll see if we can get this thing to start. Choke, key. Wow, listen to that. Slight knock. So, not sure what that is. Get the exhaust quieted down, you start hearing all these engine noises that you didn't hear before. So there you go. That's the Walker SoundFX universal muffler. Just the right amount of exhaust noise for me. You can get these, the one for the Scout I got at O'Reilly's. It's not an expensive muffler. It's not the cheapest either. It's kind of, I don't know, a step or two up from the bottom. This one was like $32. I got it off Amazon because I had a gift card. And I think the one I got on the Scout, it's been a few years ago, but I think it was around the same price. It wasn't, it was around $30 too. So made in USA. Can't beat that.